Carbide burr tools are one of the most effective solutions for removing weld spatter and excess weld material in metal fabrication and welding applications. Weld spatter consists of small droplets of molten metal that are expelled from the weld pool during welding and harden on nearby surfaces, while excess weld material includes overfilled weld beads, rough seams, slag, dross, and uneven weld buildup. These imperfections can result from improper welding parameters, shielding gas issues, contaminated materials, poor welding technique, or inconsistent consumable quality. Regardless of the cause, weld spatter and excess material can negatively affect a product's appearance, functionality, structural integrity, and readiness for painting, coating, or assembly. In many industries, including automotive, aerospace, architectural metalwork, and food-grade manufacturing, smooth and clean welds are essential for both appearance and performance. Weld spatter can interfere with part fitment, moving components, and coating adhesion, while rough weld seams may create stress concentrations or conceal defects. Traditional cleanup methods such as chipping hammers, wire brushes, flat discs, and grinding wheels can be effective, but they are often time-consuming, generate excessive heat and dust, wear out quickly, and may remove too much base material if not used carefully. These challenges become even greater when working in tight spaces, corners, tubing, or complex shapes. Carbide burrs provide a faster and more precise alternative. Manufactured from extremely hard and wear-resistant tungsten carbide, these rotary cutting tools are designed for use in high-speed die grinders and rotary tools. Available in a variety of shapes such as cylindrical, ball, flame, tree, and oval profiles, carbide burrs can be selected to match the specific weld cleanup task. Single-cut burrs offer aggressive material removal for steel and stainless steel applications, while double-cut burrs provide smoother finishes and better control. Specialized aluminum-cut burrs help prevent clogging when working with softer metals. When removing weld spatter and excess weld material, carbide burrs quickly shear away unwanted metal without loading up like abrasive discs often do. Their precision allows operators to blend welds smoothly into the surrounding base metal, while minimizing the risk of gouging or damaging adjacent surfaces. They excel in difficult-to-reach areas such as inside corners, fillet welds, box tubing, and other confined locations where traditional grinders struggle. The result is a smoother, more uniform surface that is ready for painting, coating, inspection, or additional fabrication work. Using a carbide burr is straightforward. After securing the workpiece, the operator selects the appropriate burr shape and cut style, sets the die grinder to the recommended speed, and applies light pressure while allowing the cutting edges to do the work. Larger or more aggressive burrs can remove heavy weld buildup quickly, while finer cut burrs can be used for final blending and finishing. Regular cleaning of the burr helps maintain cutting performance, especially when working with softer metals. Compared to traditional grinding and abrasive methods, carbide burrs offer significant advantages in speed, precision, durability, versatility, and accessibility. They remain sharp much longer than abrasive products, reduce cleanup time, and provide greater control over material removal. Although carbide burrs have a higher initial cost and require a compatible die grinder, their long service life and improved productivity make them a cost-effective investment for professional welders and fabricators. When used with proper personal protective equipment and safe operating practices, carbide burrs transform weld cleanup from a tedious, labor-intensive process into a fast and controlled operation that produces professional quality results. For this reason, they have become a standard tool in fabrication shops, maintenance departments, foundries, and manufacturing facilities worldwide.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made Carbide Burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made Carbide Burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the Carbide Burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.